If you're in London this fall and hear a faint buzzing noise overhead, that may be the sound of one of Google's Wing drones carrying a fresh load of blood. The company just announced that it's partnering with the UK's National Health Service and medical drone network provider Appian to run a trial that will see drones flying blood samples between two central London hospitals, Guy's and St. Thomas. Beginning this fall and lasting approximately 6 months, the trial will focus on transporting time-sensitive blood samples that can't afford to get stuck in city traffic. As the trial continues, Appian said it could expand to carry other pathology items, medicines, and supplies. The Wing drone tapped to make the deliveries is crafted mostly out of foam, weighs around 11 pounds, carries packages weighing up to about 2 pounds, and will cruise 230 feet above London at about 62 miles per hour. The companies are anticipating no more than 10 flights per day, with each flight taking only about 2 minutes, much shorter than the roughly 30 minutes it takes to drive between the two hospitals. The whole operation will be overseen by a certified pilot in command, but the drone flights will all be automated and directed to stay within pre-programmed flight paths. Google and Appian have already been granted airspace approval by the UK Civil Aviation Authority, and the companies expect to conclude all final regulatory requirements before the trial begins later this fall. This won't be the two companies' first time partnering on medical drone operations. Wing and Appian's Dublin, Ireland medical supply service have already been able to expedite the delivery of sutures and surgical tools. Appian, which was spun out of the NHS Clinical Entrepreneur Program and founded by 2 doctors along with a former Google Health entrepreneur, has been testing medical drone deliveries in more rural parts of the UK. But this will be the first time the company will fly its drones over London. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.